Rescue 125, this is Thames Coast Guard, you'll have clear Channel 0, go ahead, over.
Thames Coast Guard, Rescue 125, we're on scene at Sheerness now and initially conducting a general search of the area around the coast, over.
Rescue 125, Thames Coast Guard, roger.
Rescue 125, this is Sheppey Zulu, over.
Sheppey Zulu, this is Rescue 125, go ahead.
This is Sheppey Zulu on scene at Sheerness, correction, Minster. There is a police presence on the beach at reference, and I quote, Tango Quebec 96073 I say again, 96073 and there is a police search proceeding at that point. Over.
Rescue 125, that's all copied. Many thanks for that. Are you in communication with the police this time, over?
This is Sheppey Zulu, negative, but we do have one of our foot patrols proceeding to the position where the police is, and we soon will be in contact. Over.
Rescue 125, that's all copied. That would be very useful if you did have a means of communication from the police to us, because we cannot communicate directly to the police, over.
This is Sheppey Zulu, that's understood. For your general guidance, if you were to proceed to Royal Oak Point, that's in the general vicinity of the activity. Over.
Rescue 125, that's all copied, and we'll do that now.
Sheppey Zulu, Thames Coast Guard, over.
Sheppey Zulu, over.
Sheppey Zulu, Thames Coast Guard, it sounds like you have more information than we have. Can you landline, over?
This is Sheppey Zulu, that's all understood. It's sort of breaking news to us at the moment, but I'll get in touch with you immediately. Over.
Sheppey Mobile, Sheerness ILB, over.
Sheerness ILB, this is Sheppey Mobile. For your attention also, we are at the end of the promenade in the Coast Guard Land Rover and one other vehicle, and the police are about half to 3/4 of a mile to the east of us, near the boom. Over.
Sheppey Mobile, Sheerness ILB, roger, that's all understood. Where was the last position this person went in the water? Do we have any other details, over?
This is Sheppey Zulu. We are struggling for details. Once one of our foot patrols has arrived at the police position, we will be in a better position to pass that on. Over.
Sheppey Mobile, Sheerness ILB, would you like us to start our search east, over?
This is Sheppey Zulu. Thames will coordinate the search, but my advice would be to proceed to the boom and take directions from Thames.
All received, out. Thames Coast Guard, Sheerness ILB, over.
Sheerness ILB, Thames.
Sheerness ILB, for information, we're now on scene at the Lees Beach at Minster. We're speaking to Sheppey Mobile. I believe they're at the boom. What's your intentions for us? Would you like us to start our search at the boom area, over?
Sheppey ILB, Thames, if you just stand by, we're just trying to collate information which is coming in